What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to make lock screen pattern invisible in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So right now you can see when I enter my lock screen pattern it's visible. Now to make it invisible, open settings, scroll down and click on lock screen and then click on secure lock settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern again here to confirm your identity, and then you will see a make pattern visible button on the top. So tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button, when you will lock your screen and then enter your pattern to unlock it, the pattern will be invisible. So that's how you can enable or disable make pattern visible in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.